I time to play some cat. Time to play some cat. Who gon' win? Who gon' is gonna murder me? Cat in the hat. More like Puss in the Hat. I don't like this sound, so I'm gonna have to lower it. Don't know if my voice got lowered. Tell me if my voice got lowered. Oh, damn. Where is he? Cat, Puss in a Boot. We got a little kitty. His name is Cat. Cat in a Hat. Made by Dr. Seuss the Goose. He made a movie about it and a book. The book was too long, so I just watched the movie as a little child. When I was 5 years old, I watched the movie. Really good. Really liked it. Now I'm 11 years old. No what? No Seuss anymore, boy. I ain't no little kid. Ain't no more. I'm a big boy. I'm an 11-year-old big. Take me to my way. Oh, I know he's dead! He's dead! He's dead! Get away from me, Puss in a Boot. No. Get away. You know. Fuck this shit, I'm out. This shit, I'm out. Fuck you, little Puss in a Boot. Fuck you, Puss in a Boot. My heart is beating hardly. I'm going to die. Who's gonna die? Yeah, boy. Tomioka. Yo, is that a car? Let me drive it. Oh, there's something on the car. Give me it. I got 3 items already. He's still not here. Good. Fuck me, why did I go here? I'm gonna die. Fuck me, Meowbuzz, mommy, fuck her daddy too. Oh wait, no, Meowbuzz don't got no daddy. I'm roasting her while I'm scared as hell. Please don't kill me while I'm gonna die. So I don't like Meowbuzz. She said she's stronger than Allah. I'm laughing, she is not. She is just so. Then she really disrespected Allah and said, Meow Allah. She is Caleb, don't let her alive ever again. Now you know what's gonna happen to Meowbuzz, you little puss. We have 4 out of 6 items. 2 more items left, boys. We're gonna leave this bitch. I'll be here. Wait, who is that? Is that someone? Okay. The only game I'm scared mostly is Slendy Tubbies in VR. But if it was multiplayer, it would be better for me. Fuck Meowbuzz and fuck her fan pages. I don't like her, fuck her a lot of. Oh no! He's running! He's coming! Haha, you too slow for me. Oh wait, no, he's coming near. I can't move. Haha, nooby, noob. No! Get away! It's going faster! Get away from me, you Puss in a Boot. Get away. He's getting faster. Please get away. No, I can't run! Get away from me! You get away! You know what? Let's fight! Oh no!